our channel. Today, as you guys can see, Reggie is not in this video with me, and that is because, as I'm sure you guys can see by the title, I am doing a hair video. Yeah, today I am actually going to be straightening my hair, which honestly I haven't straightened it in some time, and I have not straightened it at all since I've dyed it. So I'm kind of nervous, but we gonna see if this is gonna be a fail or a success. So as you can see, this is like day 6 hair. Like this hair is done. Like I need to wash it. So that's what I'm about to do now. But before we get into this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Comment any video suggestions that you guys may have down below. And y'all better not leave without subscribing. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Before I get started, Alana wanted to say hi. Ha. Say hi! Say hi, look. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. She's looking over here at the freaking thing. Look at the camera. Say hi, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Give me a kiss. Alright, she's done.
Okay guys, so let's get straight into this voiceover. So as you can see right now, I am just wetting my hair. This is clearly the first step as everybody's wash routine, I'm sure, but I am just massaging my scalp because it feels so good. As you can see, that's what I just said right there. I just like to, because for some reason if I just don't massage my scalp, then the water just runs on top of my hair and it doesn't really get in there good. So that's why I like to just massage the water in, and yeah. So right now I am about to shampoo my hair. This is with the Mega Silk Olive Shampoo with Avocado and Silk. This is for relaxed and natural for dry, dull, or frizz-prone hair. I actually got this along with the matching conditioner at Ross. Surprisingly, you can find a lot of good things at Ross. I never heard of this brand before, but it works really good in my hair. Right now, I just put the shampoo on my scalp because I feel like shampoo dries out my hair, and that's why I like to just keep it where I need to clean really. And also, since my hair is colored, I prefer not to shampoo because I feel like it strips the color. So right now I am beginning my conditioning process, and this is with the exact same brand from Silk Elements. This is the Mega Silk Olive Conditioner, same with Avocado and Silk. And I really like how these two products, you know, work together because they're the same brand. If you guys can use a shampoo and conditioner from the same brand, I personally feel like that is ideal because they complement each other. So that is what I'm doing here. Also guys, please excuse the facial expressions that I make while I am washing my hair. I promise to y'all, I am not hurt. Me looking over this footage, I do realize the crazy facial expressions that I make. Right here, I am brushing my hair with the Denman brush. Shout out to my bestie, Destiny. She put me onto this brush. I actually just got it a couple days ago, and I have been in love with it ever since she put me onto it. As you guys see, I am showing you how my curls just bounce back after I use it. And also, make sure you always start at the bottom of your hair and move your way on up. But sometimes I do find that finger detangling works in the middle of brushing as well. So the last part is, of course, washing it out. I didn't leave it on for too long, probably just a couple of minutes, but right now I'm just washing out the conditioner and probably gonna massage my scalp some more because, you know, that feels good. So that concludes the whole hair washing process. As you can see, I'm dancing because I'm hella happy that I'm done and it didn't take too long. Also a singing break, because you know you can't have a shower without singing. Moving right along, now I'm using the Tresemme Keratin Infusing Smoothing Serum, and this is what I use as a heat protectant, and it helps eliminate frizz. So you know, all of our curly girls, y'all know we don't want no frizz when our hair is straightened. Y'all, it's me back again. Just came to tell you guys that I am putting my hair up in a ponytail because right now I am going to section off my hair, as I'm showing you guys right now, to start off the blow drying process. Do you guys see how badly my hair needs to be dyed? Like, this is not even okay. I sped this process up because if I did not, you guys would be sitting here in agonizing pain just watching me blow dry my hair. But I just wanted to tell you guys that I use the brush because I feel like it gives a better blowout in my opinion. But this is what I'm going to do throughout the whole process.
Alright y'all, I'm back. As you can see, I blow dried all of my hair. Let me turn around. Not just like, but yep, I blow dried all my hair. I had to do it off camera because it would have just too long. Cause look, this is all I got, and it would have just took too long. So give this video a thumbs up if I should walk outside like this, all natural, melanin. Poppin'. All right, let's get to straightening. I'm excited. I really truly am. Like, a part of me kind of feels like I want to just walk outside like this and just feel free and just be like, woo, you know? But the thing that's so terrible is that, like, even though this is like my natural hair, and a lot of black women, like, their hair is like this, you know, it's poofy, it's voluptuous. And if we were to walk into like a job interview or just to Walmart, for God's sakes, people look at us like we're crazy. Like, I'm sorry that this is my hair. I'm so sorry. But you know, it's versatile because watch. This is gonna be the before and y'all just wait. This hair gonna be slicked down. Let's get straight into it.
Alright guys, so I am about to show you my straightening process. I was just having a little talk with myself because I could not look straight because I had to put a mirror in front of me. Otherwise, I would have just burned my hair off. So what I am about to do is section out my hair and start straightening. I'm going to speed this process up like I said because it's, you know, a lot of the same thing. While straightening my hair, I pretty much follow the same routine as I do when I blow dried it. I use the Denman brush to trace the straightener, and I repeat this over and over in small sections for the best results.
Okay guys, so this is just the halfway checkpoint. As you can see, this half of my head is pretty much done, and this half is still looking like who did it and ran. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. I'll show you guys from the back. Slow mo, slow mo, slow mo, slow mo. And I know I do my hair weird, but like I do like the bottom back part last because it's like the hardest for me, so I just like I save it for the last part. But yeah, so almost done, y'all, almost done.
Quick side note, I did the rest of my hair off camera because there was no way that I was going to be able to sit right there and complete my hair like that. So the next clip you are going to see is my hair done.
Okay guys, so I am all done. And let me just say, I am proud of myself for even finishing this because normally, trust me, there have been so many times where I've literally started straightening my hair and then was like, oh hell no, like this is just too much damn work. But I am happy that I finished it. But now that I have finished it, so quick story time guys, Reggie is actually the one who dyed my hair, and I literally see all the spots that are just uneven and everything like that, which honestly I'm not even mad about because I personally don't like this tone of blonde on my skin color. I do like blondes, but I feel like this tone is just not it for me. And I don't know, you guys can also comment down below your opinion on it, but I just feel like it kind of washes me out. When it's curly, I don't really see it as much as now that it's straight, but I do want to dye it. I just need suggestions on like the tone or anything, because I don't know, I'm just not feeling the color too much. But as you can see, my roots are growing in, so I need to dye it regardless. But yeah, it went pretty well. My hair doesn't feel really damaged at all. It's just the ends that I'm gonna clip. If you guys want to see a video of how I cut my hair, then you guys can comment that down below. Also, I'm not gonna style it in this video because I have a feeling this video is already hella long, but if you guys want to see a video on how I style my hair when it's straight, then definitely comment that down below as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn around so you guys can see 360 view. Alright you guys, so that is, I don't know, I'm hella hyped right now. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it was kind of different than what me and Reggie normally post on our channel, but really, like I said in the previous video, we are not opposed to just posting anything. So there might videos be with just me, there might be videos with just him, there might be videos with both of us. It's, you know, it's just whatever. But that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for our next videos. Peace.